Get two at the final, but we're going to start right off with my boy from Colorado. That's right. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for my old guy and step up the ramp. He can hear you. Matter in that house. Oh, yes. This is his first time over here in Fargo. He's sticking his tongue out to these guys like, what? What? Are you ready with the goggles on, buddy? Let's see if he can whip it. And he has to do it. He has to get out there. And he has to whip it. And he has to do it. And bam! Like that was really hard, okay? So he has to do it. Let's see if he can do it with bam out there. Getting sideways. Come on, make some noise for that. Oh, yes! I think he can do better than that. That was just a warm-up. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for the other lane two together. Oh, that's it. That's all you got? We're going to take it from there. Okay, well, hang in next there, buddy. I thought you were going to go another one. I'm so used to the other format. Well, this guy right here, I told you, he split the YouTube. He threw a hitter last year. I think he did a YouTube. Maybe he did a front flip. I don't remember what it was. But here he goes. Make some noise! You know, I think I can do better than him. I really do. I think I can.
Oh!
He fell down. He fell down. There you go. Give me that applause. Fall down. Don't laugh, Anthony. Don't laugh. He's laughing at you. Are you ready? Are you ready, Anthony? You got it. This guy right here, you see him on the nitro circuit, you see him out there in the exit, you see him everywhere. Anthony's been around, he's riding his new YZ450. Come on, make some noise! Alright, he's up and knows how to show the crowd what's up. Halo said he loves his new YZ450. He's like, wow, this thing is awesome. We're going to see if he can whip this thing. Make some noise! Here it comes! Yeah, he's looking pretty good right there. One more time for Anthony, ladies and gentlemen. You guys are going to pick a winner to go in the final. So we're going to get the loudest cheers, we're going to pick the winner, we're going to go in the final. Well, next up, yes sir, with the gold chain, and he wants to hear you, Robert's in the house! He has a big background in BMX. He's now converted over to bike. He's doing it for all the two-stroke guys out there, and he wants to hear you. He loves you guys. Grand Rapids, Michigan. That's where he's from. He drives all across the United States. He's doing it for the two-strokes. I don't see the whips right in the middle, but you gotta make some noise. Oh, old school, I guess. Oh, down, turn your hand back over. One more time for my boy Robert in the house. Well, ladies and gentlemen, last but not least, he's riding this Kawasaki for forgiveness. This is one of the things I was kind of blown away by when I first saw him. This kid right here, he wants you here. I know. Who he is? He's in that house. This kid can win like no other. At least for what I remember, it's been a while, but let's see if he still has it in. Oh, he still has it in. I don't think he can do it. But you guys gotta make some noise. We got two. Checking his training brothers. He saw him on the other side. He was like, wow, I'm checking my oil right now. One more time for True. Okay, this is how it's all